everything is nitya. Maya jagat nitya. Atma nitya. Paramatma nitya. They don't understand Siddhanta. Vishnu exhaling, this vyakta, inhaling avyakta. Prakat, aprakat. Abhirbhav, tirabhav. Like the sun is rising and setting. But like Mahekji said and Radha Priyaji, they said, well, the sun is always there. It's always shining. You close your eyes and put black cloth in your eyes, go to sleep, and at 12 noon, oh, there's no more sun. Oh, it's totally dark. It's like Amavasya. No, you stupid. You have black cloth on your eyes. Sun is there. So Guru, the son of Guru, Krishna Surya Sama Maya Haya Andakar. Krishna Surya Sama Maya Haya Andakar. Andakar means Anda, the blindfold. Andakar. Krishna Surya Sama Guru Sakshat Krishna. If son of Guru is always shining in the heart, there's no Maya. Krishna Surya Sama Maya Haya Andakar. Maya becomes blind. You become blind, I don't see Maya. Yomam Pashiti Sarvatra Sarvam Chayamayi Pashiti. Gita 6th chapter verse 30. Teeth number 6th chapter. One who sees me everywhere and sees everything in me, I never lost.